Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about CSS margins. So CSS margins, or we can see margins, are used to create a space around elements, and we can also say that it is to create a space outside of any defined borders. So we should always remember there is a difference in padding and margins. What padding do? Padding create a space inside border, between border and text, or uh, border or any other thing like image you are inserting, but it is inside border. And what margins do? They create a space outside the border. So this thing you should always remember. So in margins, we have four types of margins: left margin, right margin, top margin, and bottom margin. Okay. Now, or we can say these are properties of specifying margin on each side of element. Now these margin properties can have following values. First is auto, second is length. What happens in auto, that if we are having 40% space after writing the text or after image, then it will automatically adjust 20% to left, 20% to right, and 20% to bottom, and 20% to top. And if we you talk about length, then it is different ways of specifying margin. Like we can specify margin in pixel, pt, centimeter, etc. So there are many ways, but mostly we use pixel or percentage to specify margin. And percent specify margin in terms of percentage what it will cover from border. Okay. Now inherit. So what happens in inherit, we if we give inherit as property to some element, then it will take the margin from its parent element. Right now we are going to experiment these margin values here. So right now, as you can see here, we don't have much margin here in this sticky navbar. So we will apply some margin here. So width here it is applying for navbar is 100%. So we will make it as 90%. Okay. It was you should always remember that their punctuation mark and everything should be perfect, because here the semicolon was missing, so we were facing an error, and the automatic values were not coming. Now I will apply this 90% once again. As you can see, the values are coming low. Now you can see that the right area here, the space is left behind because we haven't applied any margin here as of now. So what we will do, we will first try using margin auto. So once I apply margin auto and save it, then you can see that it is automatically adjusted 50% to left and 50% to right. Now we will try using top and bottom margin. So now, although the margin auto is getting applied to left and right, we will, if we define top and right after this margin value, then it will override the above value. So we will use margin top and give it as 40 pixel. Okay. Now, and okay. So here, now you can see margin top 40 pixel and margin bottom 40 pixel are coming together. So In this way, we can also apply for left and right. Like, if we don't want to give it as margin auto, we can give margin left. Now we will also give it as 40 pixel. Okay. Now you can see changes happen, and 40 pixel is coming to left, and more area is coming to right. And we can also specify in percentage. Okay. So we will give here margin left 20%. Once you save it, go here. Now you can see it is giving 20% of the area of screen area. That's why it is shifted to right. If we want, if we think that it is too much, then we can do it this way. We will give it 2%. Now we will refresh it again, and now you can see that it's still uh, coming towards left. So this is how we apply margin. Thanks for watching. Thanks everyone.